Hello good people, this is Mr. Mongi, a teacher of physics and maths who teach on YouTube. So today we look at statistics. It's a topic in Form 2 and 4. So make sure you watch till the end. In case of any question, you can hit my DM or give me a like. So we look at this question. A basketball team play 10 matches in a tournament. The following are scores in each match: 9, 15, 17, 16, 7, 20, 21, 15, 10, 12. Determine the mode, mean, 5th decile, 60th percentile, upper quartile, and lower quartile. So I've incorporated some parts in Form 4 statistic, that is statistic 2. So you are supposed to arrange the data from the smallest, that is the first thing, to the largest. So we start with the 7, 9, 10, 12, 15. There is another 15, 16, then 17, 20, and 21. And then we can count to confirm whether they tally with the ones we've been given. So the entry is 10. And now we can get the mode. So the mode is the most repeated value. The most repeated value in a set of data. For this case, this is an ungrouped data. So the mode therefore will be 15. 15 has been repeated a number of times. So therefore 15 will be the mode of this data. So it is repeated twice, as you can see, and therefore it has been repeated most of the time. So then the mean. For this kind of a data, we don't have a shortcut for the mean. We have to add all of them, or summation of f, or the summation of the entries. We add all of them and then we divide by the number of entries. Just like in a grouped data, when we say summation of fx over f, so we add all of them. So 7 plus 9 plus 10 plus 12 plus 15 all the way to 21, and then we can compute that in our calculators and get the value that we get after addition. And then we divide by the entry, which is 10, and we get the after addition. In your calculator you'll get the sum is 225, so we divide by 10 and get 22.5. so 22.5 is the mean of these we call it raw data or ungrouped data. So we move on to the next question. We can first of all look at the upper quartile. So we are going to divide this set of data into two. So that on the left wing we have 4 values, and on the right wing we have 4 values. So the values that remain at the center will give us the mean, or this one will give us the median, or the value that is at the center. And for this case they happen to be 2, so we are going to find the sum of the two values and then divide by 2, or the average, for us to get the mean value. So 15 plus 15 divided by 2, we get 30 over 2, 15. So therefore the median is 15, the middle value. So we are done with the median. So for the quartiles, the lower quarter that we have, we divide it into 2. The lower quartile divide the first half into 2. So the lower quartile, or what we call Q1, is between 9 and 10. The upper quartile, on the same hand, is between 17 and 20, because it divided the upper half into 2. So 17 and 20, that is where we have our upper quartile. So the upper quartile will therefore be 17, the sum of 17 plus 20, and then we divide that set by 2. because we don't have a specific value, the answer stands to be 37/2, which will therefore be 18.5. So 18.5 will be the upper quartile for this case. So then the lower quartile, the half of the 9 and 2 and 10. So 9 plus 10, we divide by 2. So this is 19/2. We get 9.5. So 9.5 will be the lower quartile. And at times you are asked about the interquartile range. So we'll take the difference between the upper and the lower. So then the fifth decile. So fifth decile means out of 10. So we are going to talk about 5/10 of n of our entry data, which is 10. So 5/10 of n, and n happened to be 10. And then so we are looking for the fifth value. So we count up to the fifth value, and we get 15 to be the fifth decile. It's just a coincidence that we are having many answers being 15, but it's the fifth value. Decile means out of 10. So fifth decile, 5/10. And that's how we arrive to. Then the 60th percentile, so 60/100 of n, and n is 10. So we get that we require the sixth value in our data, the data that we have here. So we'll be counting from 1 to the sixth value, and that will be the one that gives us the 60th percentile. So counting again, it comes to 15. Again, as I've said, it is just a coincidence that the answers are coming to 15, but that's now the value. So thank you for watching. Have a good evening. God bless you.